Mastering the art of the dinner party. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we'll dive into the delightful world of dinner parties. A dinner party is more than just a meal. It's a social event, a gathering, and a fantastic way to connect with others. Let's explore what makes dinner parties so special and learn how to talk about them in English. A dinner party is a social gathering where people come together to eat dinner and enjoy each other's company. It usually takes place in someone's home and involves a sit-down meal. Dinner parties can be formal or informal and are often held to celebrate special occasions or to simply enjoy a good time with friends and family. There are several key elements that make up a dinner party. Invitations. These can be formal invites or a casual message. Setting. This includes the arrangement of the table, the decor, and the ambiance. Menu. A carefully planned series of dishes, often including a starter, main course, and dessert. Dress code. Depending on the party, guests may be expected to dress up or come in casual attire. Entertainment. Background music, games, or performances to keep guests entertained. When attending or hosting a dinner party, here are some phrases that might come in handy. Would you like to join us for a dinner party on Saturday? Please bring a dish to share. I'm looking forward to the dinner party tonight. What can I bring to the dinner party? Thank you for a lovely evening. Dinner parties are not just about food. They're a cultural phenomenon. They can be a way to celebrate traditions, make new friends, or network professionally. In different cultures, dinner parties may have unique customs and expectations, making them an interesting topic to explore. We hope you've enjoyed this introduction to dinner parties. Remember, a dinner party is a perfect opportunity to practice your English in a fun and social setting. So, next time you get an invitation, don't hesitate to RSVP, yes. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you at our next session. Happy learning!